Hey there, Bricksters and Lego friends. Today I have something obscure and bizarre yet again. I found these in a Target. I think it was in New Hampshire a few years back, probably about 4 or 5 years ago. And these are keychains, and they call them key rings, but they are not your standard keychain or key rings that you would have with your minifigures. They're minifigures, but they're about double the height of a minifigure. And they're made of foam, so they're quite bendable. Unique in one way, I guess you could say. They're layered in foam. It's really, really cool. So there's like a construction guy, and then we just have your generic Lego man. And yeah, they were pretty cool. It says collect them all. I don't know how many there was, but I only found the 2 of them. So that being said, I mean, I had to get them. Now they have this like little plastic ring on it here, I guess to clip on your bag or whatever. I don't know if I would trust that too much. It looks pretty flimsy, but the key ring itself, it looks pretty good. But once again, this is made out of foam, so if you do find that you have one, you might want to be careful. It seems that there's a piece of plastic put down through the middle on each side of that key ring. I don't know how far it goes down, just to reinforce it so it don't rip. But, you know, it could always rip or pull off the, you know, the glue or whatever. So they're made for Lego. I guess they're not made by Lego, but still pretty cool. So that's a couple items I wanted to share with you that I found in a Target that was rather a bizarre thing because they're made of foam. And there they are, a little bit up closer. Now also with this, I found a luggage tag. And that's pretty cool in itself because it's hard plastic, and it, you know, it says Lego and all that on it. Is pretty darn cool, and it pulls out a tray on the back side, not fully, but enough to write your name in that on it, and enough to write your name in that on it, and you put it on your luggage. And I've done so. This strap here, you know, it could come off. If you might want to do is take a tie strap, plastic tie strap, you know, ones that clip together, that you would have to cut to take off, put it through that and put it on your luggage. That's what I did, and it survived a trip down to Florida and back. So I have another one as well, so I actually have on my suitcase. So it's pretty cool, you know. And the tray can't come out, so it's pretty neat. So you can just put some tape over it if you want, just to make sure that it doesn't. It doesn't say. Yeah, it was. Produced by Funtastic Limited, Australia, under license from the Lego Group. So it was an Australian product that was made for Lego. So it is pretty cool. I think I paid around $5 for it at a Target down in the States. So that wasn't too bad. So that's the second item. There's the first items. Cool, bizarre, yet strange items that you might find that's related to Lego. Let's keep continuing finding more bizarre Lego items. I think it's I think it'll be fun to do. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and hit that notification bell down below so you can catch any future endeavors we have on this channel, and to make sure that you keep in touch with us. We'll see you guys again next time. Take care. See you soon.